Hello,
Welcome back,
friends.
everyone,
Hello,
to
Cheers.
another podcast of
Chai.
Chai and Goals. चालू करते हैं रिकैप से। गेम वीक 22। हम लोग 7 गेम पे फोकस कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, जो बिग गेम था वीक का, आर्सेनल
Liverpool
वर्सेस
versus
विला।
Aston Villa.
2-2 Villa come back from 2-0 down to recover. Next game, which was a big one, United versus Brighton.
Uh,
Brighton,
Shocker. Not a shocker, but
not a shocker,
It was
but
not a shocker. We
a
we talked about it.
disappointment
We
rather. A
talked about it.
disappointment.
disappointing.
It's a
Yes,
tricky game.
A
yes.
disappointing result though.
Brighton win 3-1 against
Very
United at
disappointing.
Old Trafford. Liverpool make a late charge. Darwin Núñez of all
Darwin
people.
Núñez off from the bench.
बच गए.
Uh, they win 2-0. City demolish Ipswich
Ipswich.
6-0.
6
The shocker of this week, in my opinion, was Newcastle Bournemouth
Newcastle versus Bournemouth.
Yes, yes,
1-4
yes.
with the
1.
Justin Kluivert hat trick. And
Amazing
then,
hat trick.
yep,
And surprisingly, Isak
Second hat
चला
trick.
ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी.
chala hi nahi.
Second hat
Isak
trick of the
Gordon,
season for Kluivert.
Kluivert.
Yeah,
And then
he's amazing.
rounding up the last 2 games, Forest continue their winning streak 3-2 against Southampton, bottom club,
A tight
and then
match.
tight match. And then last but not the least, Chelsea 3-1 winners at Stamford Bridge against
चेल्सी का
Wolves.
गेम काफी
One
अच्छा
more
था.
match I forgot about. I guess we forgot about rather Spurs, Everton versus Spurs.
Everton versus Spurs.
हाँ,
David
yeah.
Moyes' first
Oh,
game at Goodison,
Home.
3-2
Yeah.
winners.
yeah.
Yeah. So let's start. Pehla match, Arsenal versus Villa. Arsenal leading 2-0 and Villa coming back to 2-2. क्या लगता है?
Has Arsenal
Arsenal
bottled the title already?
नया साल सेम आर्सेनल.
Same Arsenal.
Seriously, they had one job to not drop points at home at least.
It was going to be a tough match. Villa
Yes.
अच्छा खेल ही रहा है, no
But
doubt. There have
honestly,
been
I
ups and downs,
I mean
but
I didn't think कि वो 2-0 up जाएंगे and then they will lose, you
that
know?
was a shocker. They had a goal disallowed. I would say that was again
Havertz
a bit controversial. मतलब उसका Havertz का जो
handball.
deflect हुआ
Handball.
handball.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It was a tight call. It was
Yes,
not an out and out.
But it was a fair call, I feel. Call तो
It was a fair call, but tight था.
टाइट था. Yes, yes.
yep, I
और
agree.
लास्ट में ट्रॉसार्ड एक गोल्डन चांस मिस कर दिया.
Oh yes.
वो भी बहुत क्लोज था.
I mean he had a really good game, but then he had a chance to win it.
But again, can you again? I am not giving excuses for Arsenal, but Saliba injured था ये game में. Thomas Partey was, I think, playing right back.
Yes.
And Gabriel center back खेल रहा था as usual. और first, I think second goal was due to Partey. वो step out कर गया. He wanted to play offside, but Gabriel पीछे रह गया. First goal was a great run by Tielemans और Merino नहीं track कर पाया उसको. But can we give Arsenal a pass considering कि सलीबा injured है? कि is it
And
not
right
worth it?
injured.
See, I mean, if you think about it, so they are not out of the race totally. Like, they can
They're
still,
still there,
like,
but
if
title थोड़ा अभी
Liverpool
difficult हो गया ऐसा लग
maybe
रहा है.
loses one match, draws a couple of them, and Arsenal wins like all of them, all three, then they're together again. So we still have a chance. I mean, Arsenal still have a chance. The race is still on. But yes, this was a big match, which I felt like Arsenal will be disappointed, and then उनका थोड़ा भी मेरे ख्याल से मोरल भी थोड़ा डाउन हो जाएगा क्योंकि the race is getting closer and closer now, like closer towards the end.
अभी टॉप 4 टाइट हो रहा है थोड़ा सा.
Yes,
सिटी है,
and
सिटी का फॉर्म फिर से पिकअप हो रहा है.
सिटी का फॉर्म हो रहा है. चेल्सी
Chelsea
चेल्सी का गेम बहुत
Chelsea
अच्छा
is
था.
already in the race. Newcastle,
Yep, yep,
this would be a blip, minor blip, but they are there in contention. Aston Villa can jump out of nowhere.
yep,
So
yep.
ये ये 4-5 टीम्स में एटलीस्ट टॉप 4 चलने वाला है.
चलने वाला है. Yep, yep.
But considering Arsenal ने ये points drop कर दिया है, और
तेरे
क्या
चेहरे
can
पे
we
बहुत खुशी दिख रही है.
खुशी तो वो जब 2-0 2-2 हुआ तब मैं सुशांत को तो बोला कि कम ऑन विला.
But
तो
I'd say आर्सेनल का टाइटल थोड़ा डेंट कॉन्फिडेंस लाइक मैं बोला अभी कॉन्फिडेंस डेंट तो हुआ ही होगा उनका
करेक्ट.
एंड उनका करंटली रन ऑफ फॉर्म भी थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे ही चालू है
हम्म
सो दे आर आउट ऑफ एफए कप उनका भी इसका
They
भी
have to. हाँ,
या
Newcastle के against they are leading, trailing 2-0.
टू
ट्रेलिंग टू
नील
सो
यप
दिस एंड यूसीएल में भी मतलब भरोसा नहीं है उनका आई डोंट सी देम गोइंग मतलब टिल सेमीज
And UCL में it's just one bad game and
यप
you're
हाँ
out.
यप
यूसीएल में
एग्जैक्टली
currently तो they are in a safe place like they are bound to play at least the next round of fixtures.
Yep.
By next round, I mean the first elimination stage. They shouldn't be scared about that, but longer run थोड़ा मतलब semis वगैरह तो थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा.
यप
Correct.
यप
Correct. क- तो
And injuries, like every team has injury. Looking at Spurs, उनका backline पूरा गया है.
पूरा
yep.
खत्म है यस
Yep.
तो and उनका एक सलीबा I know is out, but ठीक है मतलब they should have coped with it at least home पे. And especially after going 2-0 up.
टू नील अप यप यप यप
Yep. Yep.
So I
That's
ऐसे
true.
think
ऐसे कभी होता है तो मुझे मोरिनो की याद आती है बस पार्क द बस में
But हाँ, मतलब to be honest, credit to Villa as well.
yeah,
हम लोग आर्सेनल का बात तो कर लिया,
यस
but
यस 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 नॉट टेकिंग अवे एनीथिंग फ्रॉम देम आई मीन
I think man of the match for me from Villa was Tielemans. वो
Tielemans had a
ड्राइव कर रहा था
phenomenal game.
टीम
हाँ,
को. टीलेमेंस, रॉजर्स बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे थे. एंड
Watkins doing his job.
Yeah,
वॉटकिंस, या
Watkins. Watkins was really good.
एंड वो जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट होने वाला था
हाँ,
और
तभी
उसके जस्ट पहले वो गोल मार दिया.
goal
वो
मारा.
रॉजर्स आने वाला था एंड
हाँ,
जस्ट उसके पहले वो गोल मार दिया. तो कमेंडेबल ऑन देयर पार्ट. एमी मार्टिनेज एंड उनाई एमरी ऑलवेज जब भी उन लोग
Arsenal
आर्सेनल के पास जाते हैं दे डिस्टर्ब देयर टाइटल चार्ज.
उनका टाइटल चांस हाँ लाइक मेंशन उनका टाइटल चांस पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
तो
कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट गेम, यूनाइटेड वर्सेस ब्राइटन. मेरे को पता है तुम दोनों को वो
ओ ना
बहुत.
ना
ओ
व्हाट्स
ना ना. ओ ना ना.
सबका नाम भुला दिया रे उसने गाने की तरह वो
Yeah,
नाना
but honestly, we had lost match before that third goal itself, you know, क्योंकि अपन यूनाइटेड का कोई ऐसा एज सच अटैक ही नहीं था पूरे गेम में अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक मे बी अ कपल ऑफ
आई
चांसेस
डोंट
हियर एंड
मतलब
देयर
जितना साउथहैम्पटन के सामने चांसेस क्रिएट कर रहे थे उतना याद ही नहीं आ रहा है
उतना तो
यूनाइटेड
हाँ
के अगेंस्ट.
एग्जैक्टली वही तो
And
मतलब
Amorim mentioned like we are the worst in the post-match conference. We are the worst United match. Like I can imagine
यूनाइटेड टीम,
उससे क्या
यस.
बीत रही होगी. Well, we are the worst United team, yes, in the history. So I
यस
can imagine कि उस पे क्या बीत रही होगी. Like he was brought in. He actually wanted to stay till the end of the season at Sporting, but
हम्म
United ने बोला अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं.
कभी नहीं एग्जैक्टली
And he has not been backed up in the transfer market. Like he January transfer window चालू है कुछ movement ही नहीं है. एक्सेप्ट अभी हमारा गोट
एंड द
चले गया.
गोट इज आउट. द
रियल
यस
कॉस्टलीस्ट गोट. गोट हैज गॉन टू रियल
बट
सोसिएदाद ऑन लोन.
रियल
तो
बेटिस.
रियल बेटिस.
कंट्रोवर्शियल टेक ऑफ द वीक में वो बात करते हैं व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक इज दिस द वर्स्ट यूनाइटेड एवर
नॉट अ
They are
चांस.
currently at rock bottom. मतलब we have struggled under Louis van Gaal. Every coach, like after Ferguson, we've struggled under them. But ऐसा run of fixtures, मतलब continuous हारना and being so low in the table,
I
I
I
don't
kind
remember.
of agree with him. प्रीमियर
Exactly.
लीग में दिस इज द वर्स्ट
This is the lowest. मतलब even under David Moyes के अंदर इतना
मॉइस
खराब
के
नहीं था.
अंदर भी नहीं था एग्जैक्टली एंड
Louis van Gaal के अंदर
आई
the
मीन ऑफ
game was
कोर्स
boring, but still we
आई थिंक
managed to win out.
70s वगैरह में यूनाइटेड हैज वाज रेलीगेटेड वंस और
74,
ट्वाइस आई थिंक
74,
50s या
75.
70s में तो
70s.
ऑफ कोर्स लाइक वो मैंने देखा तो नहीं है लेकिन वो शायद वर्स्ट ही होगा रेलीगेट होना मतलब बट यस पीएल के टाइम पे आई थिंक दिस इज द वर्स्ट एंड उसने जो कहा अमरिम ने आई फील द फ्रस्ट्रेशन गॉट बेटर ऑफ हिम प्रोबेबली
आई एक्चुअली हैव अ डिफरेंट ओपिनियन. मेरे को वो ऐसा लग रहा है ही इज प्रोटेक्टिंग हिमसेल्फ. कि देखो, टीम इधर है, तुम मेरे को कल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि टीम इधर हो जाए.
नहीं
आई
वो तो नहीं
नीड
होने वाला. उसको
नहीं
2-3
2-3 years.
वो
चाहिए.
आई थिंक उसने
उसको.
पहले दिन से ही बोला था कि यू नो यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट लाइक मेरे
Do
से
you think
एक्सपेक्टेशन
Amorim should be flexible? Like if this,
थ्री
I know
फोर
he's
थ्री
worked with this formation, but
यस
currently looking at the team, we are turning up against the big teams, no doubt. वो अलग जोश आता है, but when it comes to such teams, अभी you can't say कि Brighton low block team है. They are not a low block team. They play fluid football. But ब्राइटन और अब पता नहीं प्लेयर्स को वो मेंटल ब्लॉक होता है व्हेन दे प्ले अगेंस्ट ब्राइटन की, क्या पता नहीं. लाइक वी हैव वन जस्ट वन, वो भी आई बिलीव इट वाज लास्ट मैच ऑफ लास्ट सीजन
Hmm.
against Brighton,
Yeah,
but except that we've been losing to them. So
pretty
I
bad,
actually
pretty
have
bad.
a different theory. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है it is not about facing a big team, it is facing a big team away. Home पे I'm not sure what happens to United players. They get nervous or something or the other happens and they just bottle up. क्योंकि to be honest 1-0 था, it was 1-1 and then the players literally disappeared.
हाँ,
कि कुछ अटैक नहीं था. मैं भी देख रहा था गेम, अटैक था ही नहीं जितना फ्लूइडिटी पहले
चांसेस
गेम
ही
में था.
याद नहीं आ रहे. गेम देखा, कुछ चांसेस ही याद नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah,
एंड
yeah.
उसके ऊपर ओनाना वाज द लाइक
Onana being Onana again.
ओनाना बीइंग
Yes.
ओनाना अगेन. बट अगेन आई काइंड ऑफ फील यूनाइटेड वर हार्ड डन. किसको लगता है वो फर्स्ट हाफ में जो पेनल्टी था वो रेड कार्ड होना चाहिए था? जोग्जी को उसने खींचा पीछे.
मेरे को
जोग्जी वाज वन
थोड़ा
ऑन वन.
मतलब इतना
रेड कार्ड वर्दी मुझे
रेड
नहीं.
कार्ड वर्थ नहीं था वो. पेनल्टी
ओके.
वाज करेक्ट आई फील.
दैट वाज अ गुड
बट
दैट वाज अ
आजकल
करेक्ट.
थोड़ा यार डिसीजन थोड़े सॉफ्ट ही हो गए आई फील उस हिसाब
हम्म.
से आई डोंट थिंक आई वोंट से कि रेड कार्ड होना चाहिए.
हम्म.
बट यस पेनल्टी वाज आई थिंक द राइट कॉल.
बट
एंड
अगेन मिटोमा येलो वो नहीं दिया था. देयर वर
Yes.
टू मेनी कॉल्स इन द
देयर वर
गेम
टू
व्हिच
मेनी
अगेन
कॉल्स.
There
यस
were there were
kept.
many
वी हैव
calls,
सीन इट लाइक
but
थ्रू
the
आउट आई थिंक
performance itself
काफी
was
सालों से.
disappoint. The performance itself was more disappointing than the referee calls.
आई मीन
करेक्ट.
यस रेफरी को हम ब्लेम कर सकते हैं. बट लाइक द आर्सेनल गेम अगर वैसा होता कि वी प्लेड वेल वी पुट आवर हार्ट्स
Hmm.
बट फिर भी नो कॉल्स वेंट अगेंस्ट अस तो यस. बट ये टाइम पे तो प्लेयर शुड बी ब्लेम फॉर श्योर. I actually read a crazy stat कि I think there are 5 or 6 games United has lost at home in straight 6 games. First time since 1893.
बट आई थिंक साउथहैम्पटन के जीता ना तो आई
Uh,
थिंक वो एट होम इन अ
at home,
रन नहीं रहेगा. हाँ.
at
In a
home
season.
इन अ
in
सीजन
a
यस.
season, and I think like 7 or 8 is like the max we have ever lost at home.
हम्म.
And we are getting close to breaking that record.
हम्म.
So it was actually very disheartening to, you know, read that कि भाई 1893 से लेके अब तक this is
हम्म.
the worst. So I kind of feel bad for Amorim, but I also feel कि like Sushant said उसे थोड़ा उसने I think he should be a little flexible कि जो दिया है प्लेट पे
हम्म.
ये
And
सीजन
one
मैनेज कर.
decision which baffled me yesterday, you need goals. Why did you take out Zirkzee for Hoyland? Like उसको भी रखो, Zirkzee को भी रखो, midfield थोड़ा shuffle कर लो.
हम्म.
Hmm.
And क्योंकि you need players who can go in the box and score.
हम्म.
तो
Yes.
and I believe एंथनी भी आया था ना पिच पे. So
करेक्ट.
मतलब थोड़ा प्लेयर्स को बोलो कि like Zirkzee you go and play wide, or like you play
Hmm.
in that inverted वो triangle में you play
ट्रायंगल.
with them
यस.
Yes,
properly.
yes. तो
तो
nine वगैरह कुछ ऐसे
हाँ,
like.
so वैसा थोड़ा मतलब he could have
I
done
think
that.
he's too rigid with his formation. He doesn't like wingers. He likes wing
विंग
back.
बैक्स.
उसे
यस.
चाहिए ही तो इसीलिए hence the wingers for sale. I feel
हम्म.
open for sale at least. So उसे थोड़ा at least ये सीजन थोड़ा he should work out.
हम्म.
इस
साइन
सीजन
करने से पहले
टारगेट
उसने
रखो
सोचना
टॉप
चाहिए
10
था
में
कि
फिनिश करना.
I don't have a team and then मुझे यही करना है at least 6 months 7 months whatever the time is.
हम्म.
We
To
still are
adjust.
in two cup competitions luckily, so
यस.
we might have a way into Europe. FA Cup में अगर we have good fixtures, if we get good fixtures, जो होता नहीं है generally, but we are not City, but
हाँ ना प्लाईमाउथ वगैरह हम लोगों को क्यों नहीं आता.
प्लेमथ नहीं आता, कभी छोटा टीम नहीं आता, ट्रांसमीर रोवर होगा, नहीं नहीं नहीं, यू गेट लाइक स्पर्स खेलो, आर्सेनल खेलो, लिवरपूल खेलो, सब ऐसा ही खेलो. So, but if we have like or even if we get difficult fixtures, but if the players turn up,
Turn up,
if they
yes.
Yep.
focus their attention on FA Cup or Europa League, तो फिर we still might have a chance to get into Europe. And अभी top 10 थोड़ा मतलब it's not over yet. We can still
Yes.
get in
Top,
top 10, but the European spot through league थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा because Aston Villa, like the teams which you mentioned earlier, they are way ahead
Yep.
and they
yes,
are playing well. So उनका form भी चालू ही है.
yeah,
Newcastle का we mentioned they
and
lost,
we
but
still have to play few of them, like few of the
yeah,
big
yeah, yeah.
teams, right? So top 10 teams में से अभी भी we still have to play some. So
Yes.
थोड़ा difficulty होगा top 10 या top 7, you know.
Top 10 हो सकता है. I'd still say कि top 10 is still achievable, but your European spot through the league is थोड़ा difficult.
So top 10, Fulham 33 पे है फिलहाल and United is at 26.
26.
फुलम का फॉर्म देख के again, let's see what happens.
Let's
Next
move
game,
on.
yeah, next game being Liverpool Brentford. The game was
I think
really
अपना prediction अच्छा था. I think everyone predicted 2-0 or something, if I
हाँ.
remember.
मेरे को थोड़ा पोटेंशियल बनाना स्किन लग रहा था और until 90th minute वो बनाना स्किन
And
था.
Brentford were actually defending well,
Yes,
to be
And they
honest.
were attacking also
They
well.
were
They did
attacking.
not.
It was an end-to-end game, to be
Yes.
honest.
really good
With the
game.
right amount, एक आई थिंक वीसा था या जो उनका दूसरा टफ स्ट्राइकर है
Mbeumo.
एम्बो में, उसको एक चांस था, वो कट कर दिया और ट्रेंट तभी क्लियर कर
Hmm.
दिया. Had he taken that shot, I think Liverpool could have even lost the game. मतलब इतना इजी नहीं था वो गेम.
No, it needed Nunes.
It needed out of all people Trent and Nunes to just come up and
And
score it.
again, like Salah, ये game भी शांत रहा, not
Hmm.
as visible.
I
तो
think
उसका
Yes.
अभी
mentally,
post
like you guys
Christmas,
said last time, थोड़ा mentally affect हो रहा है
post
शायद.
Mentally
Christmas का
affect
form
post
affect हुआ है.
Christmas. Yes. एक तो मेरे को लगता है the contract. Second thing is वो Christmas photo. Again, not to be superstitious, but
But look at this thing. Virgil van Dijk, Trent, both are in the same boat. And
yes,
both are equally important, if not like Salah, I know थोड़ा ऊपर हो सकता है उनसे, but Van Dijk defense में he is very important.
yep,
Yeah.
yep,
And he's been playing really well this season.
yes.
So,
But then if you look at all the three attackers which started, right? तीनों का form एक साथ चला गया नीचे. Diaz isn't playing that well. Gakpo had an okay-ish game. वो इतना अच्छा नहीं खेला था last game भी, और Salah also not. And then it just required the bench. And the worst part was Jota का injury. आज भी वो ट्रेनिंग में नहीं आया है.
अच्छा.
तो there are heavy rumors he might even be sold. कि what's the point of having a striker who is injured like 50% of the game?
Wow.
That
That
doesn't.
would be interesting actually. Jota is like one of
He's a
the
very good player.
good
He's a very
players
good
we
player,
must
but
have.
then it's like Owen Hargreaves, right?
हाँ.
Like 50% of the time you're not there. You might be world class, but then you're just not there. So, but again, Nunes comes up with the goods this time around. दोनों गोल्स
उसका
उसके
प्राइस टैग 5 मिलियन 10 मिलियन से बड़ा नहीं.
बट शायद से वो पता नहीं, शायद से उन लोग समर तक रुक भी जाए, क्योंकि कंसिडरिंग व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू फॉर्म्स ऑफ ऑल द थ्री अटैकर्स, शायद से वो नहीं भी बेचे.
Yeah, I don't think so.
तो
Like इतने big decisions winter में लिवरपूल लेगा अभी when they are in charge of the title basically.
And when they have, like, they know that players' contracts are coming up, so they wouldn't want to disrupt anything
Yep.
at the moment and focus their attention on those
Attention. Exactly.
key
बट
players.
इट कुड जस्ट बी, अगर 90 मिलियन का बिल्ड आ जाता है, यूज दैट 90
Yeah, I
मिलियन टू
mean,
शो.
if there is a crazy bid
Who
to
would you get as a replacement? That's the
No
question.
one. Just sign, give those 3-year contracts to these three folks. You already have 5 attackers.
Hmm.
Okay, Jota is injured, Chiesa is there, but then you have
Chiesa is a buy or a loan?
he's a buy, 10 million.
Okay.
So you already have 5 attackers. You can play Elliot there.
ये ऐसा है
So,
कि इंजर्ड है.
नहीं है वो खेला.
He was there on खेला ना कल
खेला
खेला
ना.
ना.
हाँ,
हाँ वही.
खेला, वो लास्ट में आया था. अगेन वो मैच फिट नहीं है उतना, वो खेल लेता है, बट अगेन 90 million for Nunes is a no-brainer here, in my opinion.
Anyone wants to buy Anthony?
ले लिया ना रियल बेटिस.
वो लोन पे गया and we are still paying his wages as well, part of the wages.
Yeah, I think
And I'm
50% still okay.
I think एक अपने को वीडियो करना चाहिए about Eric Ten Hag signings, rating them at
Yeah.
United. I think that would be a very good separate video.
Yeah.
Yep. Next game being City versus Ipswich. I don't think so we even need to go in here, but सिटी ने वाट लगा दी स्विच की।
Ipswich
अपन ने आई थिंक
demolish
3-0
होगा.
वगैरह प्रेडिक्ट किया था, बट
One
Yep.
Ipswich
thing
had no
is, I
chance.
can say, looking at City's past few matches, Phil Foden is picking up form.
Yes, and De Bruyne.
De Bruyne as well, yes.
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 Good to
Guardiola
see
mentioned,
Foden
right?
back,
हाँ,
actually.
good to see Foden
Like,
back.
he's a
Yes.
really good player, बस थोड़ा उसका आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस हिल गया था थोड़ा बीच में.
बट वो पूरे टीम का गया था ना एक साथ, तो फिर यू
हाँ,
कांट इवन ब्लेम हिम, वो
exactly.
पूरा टीम एक साथ ये
But
हो गया था।
I mean, as a player, I like him. Like,
यस
ठीक है राइवल वगैरह है, but as a player he is really good. Like, I would
यस
like to have him in my team. ऐसा player है वो.
यस यस। और कोवाचिच वापस आ गया, सिटी इज
Yes.
स्कोरिंग गोल्स अगेन, तो
Kovacic also scored, right?
यस कोवाचिच
Yes.
स्कोर्ड द सेकंड वन।
And
यस
assisted as well.
यस। And now City is at 38 points, and after today's win, Chelsea are at 40. क्या लगता है, सिटी की, चेल्सी की, someone else in top 4?
Newcastle currently fifth, sixth है.
Newcastle 6, same as points as City at 38. Bournemouth is at 7th at 37 points. Aston Villa 8th at 36. Brighton 9th at 34.
सर कितना कंजेशन है
Yes.
between
And Fulham
36 and 40.
at 10th at 33. फिर Brentford है वो नीचे है थोड़ा। क्या लगता है कौन आएगा टॉप 4?
I feel City is
लिवरपूल
picking
फिक्स
up.
है.
I think City तो आएगा
I
शायद.
think top 3 is set.
नहीं
Liverpool,
मतलब
Arsenal,
टॉप 3.
Forest
What's Forest at 46?
44.
44. फिर वो भी
I
थोड़ा
think they are
हो
at
सकता.
level with Arsenal, if I'm not
Yes, they are level with Arsenal, just drawing, मतलब पीछे goal difference कैसे?
Goal difference. But do you think Forest might slip up?
Not at the moment.
wrong. I think they might.
Hmm.
I mean, maybe
मतलब
not
अभी
crazy
सिटी
7th, but
सिटी के प्लेयर्स, लुकिंग एट सिटीज प्लेयर्स और लाइक इवन चेल्सी प्लेयर्स, उनको वो थोड़ा हंगर, मतलब आई नो फॉरेस्ट को भी हंगर हो सकता है, बट उनको जो बिग मैच एक्सपीरियंस है एंड द पुश दैट कम्स एट द एंड ऑफ द सीजन विद फॉर सच प्लेयर्स लाइक गेटिंग इनटू टॉप 4, उनके बोनसेस वगैरह ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज्यादा होंगे.
Yep.
आई डोंट थिंक नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट के प्लेयर्स को उतना वो उनके करंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में उतने लिखे होंगे, बट लाइक these players would want to go for that. These players would want to play in the Champions League. They have already played in big leagues.
Yep.
So with that, I believe Nottingham Forest might lack
Black, yeah.
that part, and Chelsea, City could come up,
I'm
or
just
even
looking at
Newcastle.
fixtures. फॉरेस्ट का तो क्रेजी फिक्चर्स है. लाइक न्यूकासल फेब 23rd से लेके न्यूकासल, आर्सेनल, सिटी, then there's Ipswich, but then
Tottenham.
United, Aston Villa, Everton, Tottenham, and then last is Chelsea. Last game of, तो आई थिंक उनका टफ पार्ट अभी स्टार्ट होगा
for
शायद
चालू
Spurs?
होगा.
में.
Spurs भी है बीच में.
हाँ
You're
वही
talking about Nottingham.
Yes.
Nottingham's fixtures, right?
हाँ
Yes.
नॉटिंघम, yes. तो
तो वो एक साथ इतना बैक टू बैक मतलब दे डिड इट इन पार्ट अभी बिफोर क्रिसमस वगैरह भी, बट अगेन कमिंग
But toward the
टू इट अगेन.
end, yes, I think big teams have more experience of going through this phase.
Yes.
Maybe not City. City has ऐसा phase सिर्फ 2015 में गया था, but
हाँ,
but Chelsea, United, Spurs, we all have gone through this, Arsenal. So I feel तो शायद slip हो सकता है Forest.
that's the only factor which I feel कि the push, the experience of this consistently performing and like going to that top 4 position, वो that might hold Forest back.
Yes. It's like Arsenal versus City, right? Arsenal कितना भी लीड कर ले, but City के पास जो
हाँ,
कंसिस्टेंटली लीग जीतने का
Exactly.
आदत है,
Hmm.
वो कोई नहीं ले सकता. तो या
but if Forest wins, then a huge shout out to them for the season.
yes.
Give manager of the, even if Arne Slot wins the league, but give manager of the
Yes,
season to Nuno.
I
To
feel
Nuno. Yes, absolutely. 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 Coming next to, I think, Forest itself, they won 3-2 at home.
Tight match. It got tight towards the end.
Yes. I did not expect Southampton to score 2,
Yeah.
especially with Forest defense.
I think Southampton is gaining some confidence.
Hmm.
They are like अभी जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा, खेलो.
हाँ, I mean इससे खराब क्या ही हो सकता है ऐसा.
हाँ,
इससे
मतलब
खराब
जो
क्या ही होगा?
वैसे भी अभी 6 पॉइंट पे, और खराब मतलब क्या 9 पॉइंट्स ही बचा है ना वो 15 के लिए.
हाँ, exactly.
15 के लिए, करेक्ट.
15 के लिए.
डार्बी काउंटी का ये तोड़ने के लिए.
सो वही द मैनेजर वुड बी लाइक, जो है मन में खेलो, जितना तुम लोग करते हो, जीता तो
Correct.
जीता, नहीं तो हारा तो हारा. बट देन दे शोड वेरी गुड फाइट अगेंस्ट यूनाइटेड.
Yes.
except till the 70th, 72nd minute.
Till Amad Diallo stepped up.
Till Amad Diallo stepped up, and then after that, yesterday as well to go to Forest, away to Forest, and both matches were away for them.
Yes.
So
Yes.
to go to Forest and still come 3-2, like close to a draw, very
Yes.
commendable.
I think next game which we need to speak about is a shocker which everyone got wrong. I think 99% of the pundits would have got wrong was Newcastle Bournemouth. And the way Bournemouth destroyed Newcastle at home, when everyone was just thinking Isak goal मार देगा, अभी Gordon goal मार देगा.
ईसाक को कैप्टन रखा एफपीएल में.
क्लाइवर्ट कहाँ से क्या कर दिया?
Clivert, surprise, like he's playing very good. And
Yes.
उसका second hat trick of the season.
But पहला hat trick was just I think hat trick of penalties.
Penalties. And I guess both of the hat tricks he scored, it's been away.
Yes. Everton was I think first hat trick.
हाँ, शायद
Yes.
से Everton. So
Correct.
both the hat tricks have been away. So a big thing. भले penalties हो, but
Correct.
they're still goals.
Correct.
So Bournemouth, and I mentioned in our first video itself, Andoni Iraola is touted to be big manager.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
the team is looking good overall.
Yep.
उनका वही मतलब उनका टीम कंपोजिशन अच्छा है, ऐसे स्टार स्टडेड प्लेयर्स ऐसे ज्यादा नहीं है उनमें.
Correct.
So good win, a very big win, and a
And
good
I think overall उनसे expectation भी कम था लोगों का, तो I think that probably went in their way.
And even you mentioned they are in that 36 to 40 bucket, right?
Yes, they are 1 point behind. I think they are 2 points behind Manchester City right now.
2 points. So उनको भी वो
Sorry,
कुछ शायद से
they are 3 points away from top 4. So they have played the equal amount of matches as Chelsea. Chelsea is on 40, Bournemouth is at 37.
Not
so
bad.
they are doing good, yes.
Yes, absolutely. And then last but not the least, today's match at the Bridge, Chelsea 3-1 winners against Wolves. Sanchez doing an Onana today.
Now we equate failure in the keeping to Onana directly. मतलब
क्या डिक्शनरी में क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट बना दिया है? तो मतलब
कैरियस से वो टाइटल चले गया अभी.
कैरियस से बेचारे से टाइटल चला गया. बट हाँ मतलब आज का मैच तो अच्छा था. आई थिंक एवरीवन एक्सपेक्टेड चेल्सी टू विन.
अच्छा, हाँ, चेल्सी था, होम था, वुल्व्स था, so
Surprisingly, Cole Palmer was quiet.
Yes. Yes. Again, but मैं ये बोलता ना, the people who have performed in the first half of the season, like your Palmers, like your Nicholas Jackson, like your Salahs, have not had the best of 2025 yet. Maybe again fatigue catch up कर रहा है. इतना गेम खेल चुके, इतना अच्छा से ये कर चुके, तो maybe fatigue कैप्चर कर रहा है. Maybe that's the case.
Even हाल मतलब उसका तो मतलब जब भी सिटी का पैच
डाउनफॉल चालू हुआ,
तब से barely scored like couple of goals. I don't think उसका previous like in the previous matches वो काफी आगे निकल गया था गोल्डन बूट के लिए, but वो अभी है Salah's there with him.
Correct. But yeah, I think Chelsea regular win. Chelsea go back into the top 4. Or Chelsea break their 5
match
winless streak. Yes, streak. Exactly.
We'll cover Spurs match as well very quickly.
Yes.
Because that was a big game. David Moyes
first game.
First home game, right?
First home game. Sorry, first home game. Yes.
So a big win. They were 2-0 up.
3-0.
3-0 up and
up at halftime.
Up at halftime. So a very big win for Everton.
Yep.
And Spurs if we are talking about injuries, Spurs squad has been decimated.
Yes. Both center backs out. Everyone is mostly out.
ये भी Porro भी नहीं था ना कल. Or was Porro there?
हाँ, शायद से Porro भी नहीं था. Yes.
Destiny Udogie भी injured है, if I'm not wrong.
नहीं, Destiny Udogie खेला था कल शायद से. खेला था वो कल.
Okay, but उनका काफी backline change हुआ है.
हाँ, उनका backline बहुत change हो गया है, and then
like Porro played yesterday. Udogie did not.
Udogie did not. Sorry. Okay. Jet Spence plays, and he's a very young player. Even Bergwall is very very young.
So उनका backline में कौन? Gray, Dragusin वो देख के मुझे confidence inspire नहीं करता.
Ben Davis.
And Ben Davis. And all people Richarlison आके गोल मारे.
Correct. But उनका अगर आप like if you look at their even the substitute bench, I think मैं सुशांत को बोल रहा था, it's just youngsters.
No, you can't
Hmm.
recognize, like, except for Richarlison, इतना कोई
और Reguilon, बाकी
Reguilon भी
Regular.
उनका he hasn't been a Spurs regular for a very long
correct,
time. Not even अभी वो bench पे भी recently आने लगा है.
correct,
And I don't think he's played much this
correct,
season.
correct. With
So
that being said, I think we have
Yeah, I think let's wrap up.
yeah,
yes. I
अच्छा
think
week था overall.
अच्छा, except for
Disappointing
Zagreb.
for us, but अच्छा था, like good matches.
good matches.
Yeah.
Matches. Okay,
Okay.
folks.
Anyway,
Thank you for
bye
Thank you so
bye.
joining.
Thank you for
much.
watching.
Take care.
Please give your
Join me next
comments, like,
video.
subscribe, and suggestions as well in the
Yes,
chat.
Thank you.
please.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.